two, three, four.
Would you like to score free museum tickets? If so, stay tuned until the end of this video. Last May 19, we had a workshop at the Ayala Museum as it relaunched its gold exhibit. We are so happy to see everyone, that's 3,500 of you, visit Ayala Museum with their families and friends and make new memories. We hope you enjoyed the coloring sheets illustrated by Mickey Velarde and yours truly to the crafting activities we have prepared with the Googly team. Printouts by Canon, coloring materials by Faber-Castell, cutouts with the Caesar Juliet, and foiling activity by Sarian Philippines. Now that's 3 floors worth of crafting stations. It's nice to see everyone don their costumes, a testament to the fact that everyone is truly an artist. Thank you for taking part in this, and thank you to Ayala Museum for giving us the opportunity to embrace history in such a fun way. Speaking of, save the date as we gear up for INKfest 2024 with Ilustrador ng Kabataan, an organization of children's book illustrators here in the Philippines, which we are a part of. This is Tippy from the Googly Gurus. See you next time!